Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to Maths Guidance. So today's question is the ratio of the incomes of two employees is 7 is to 4 and the ratio of their expenditures is 3 is to 1. If each of them manages to save rupees 4800 per month, find the sum of their monthly incomes in rupees. Alright, so this question, it's a question of the chapter ratio and proportion, and we are going to solve it with two methods. Alright, so let's write the name of the chapter, the heading ratio and proportion. Alright, and we are going to solve it proportion, ratio and proportion. Alright, the first method will be our detailed method, which we can say normal method or the traditional method, which we all know. Detailed method, you can say it normal method, you can say it the traditional method or the mathematical name traditional method, you can say by the chapter linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. All right, linear equations in two variables. So this will be the normal method, and the second method which we will be using in this question, and that will be the quicker method or easier method, you can say quicker method. All right, shortcut method, where we are going to use one formula. Shortcut method. All right, we are going to use one formula. Okay, so we will see both these methods. Let us see what you like the most. All right, so let's solve this question first of all by the normal method, the detailed method. Okay, so the question is the ratio of the incomes of two employees is 7 is to 4. So let the ratio of incomes be in terms of x. All right, in terms of x. So that the ratios, the incomes will be, we can write the incomes are 7x and 4x. All right, now the expenditures, ratio of the expenditures is 3 is to 1. Now let us suppose, let the ratio of expenditures be in terms of y. Let the ratio of expenditure be in terms of y. Okay, y के टर्म में जो हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर उसे मानते हैं. सो द एक्सपेंडिचर्स are 3y and y, basically 1y is y. Now the incomes are 7x and 4x, expenditures are 3y and y. So our saving, all right, savings will be, let us go to page 2. So we all know saving equal to income minus expenditure. Whatever is your earning minus whatever you are basically doing the expenditure. Okay, expenditure, that will be your saving. So in first case it will be saving equal to, in first case it will be 7x minus 3y, and in second case it will be 4x minus y. Okay, saving 1 and saving 2, it will be equal to, you see, 4x minus y. Now our saving, that is this amount, is basically equal in both the cases, rupees 4800. So this one is also 4800 and this one is also 4800. So basically we have two equations, and the equations are, first one is 7x minus 3y, that will be equal to 4800, and the second equation will be 4x minus y, that will be equal to 4800. Now we will solve these two equations by the elimination method. Okay, let's use the elimination method. Let's use it, elimination method. So we are going to eliminate one of the variables, elimination method. Okay, so let's eliminate y. So how we can eliminate y? Let's first multiply equation 2 by 3. Multiplying, let's write it, it will give a clear thing. Multiplying equation 2 by 3, okay, and subtracting equation 1. Subtracting equation 1, we get what we get. First of all, let us multiply equation 2 by 3. So 4 into 3, that is 12x, minus here it will be 3y, that will be equal to 3 multiplied by 4800. We will keep it like this. And the second equation is 7x, basically first equation, 7x minus 3y equal to 4800. And let's subtract these two equations. So let's subtracting what we get like this. So this will cancel out, and 12 minus 7 equal to 5x. 5x is equal to 3 minus 1, that is basically 2 multiplied by 4800. Okay, now let's come here. So x equal to 2 multiplied by 4800 and divide by 5, that will equal to 5 9 ja 45, 3 0 5 30, 5 6 ja then 0. So it will come out 2 0 0, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1, 2 9 ja 18 plus 1 19, 1920. Okay, so x is coming out 1920. What we have to find out? Find the sum of their monthly incomes. Okay, their monthly incomes are 7x and 4x. So sum of monthly incomes are sum equal to 7x plus 4x, that will be equal to 11x. Okay, and the total will be 11 multiplied by 1920. So it will come out 1100, 11 2 is 22, 11 9 is 99 plus 2 101. 101 means this one. 11 1 is 11 plus 10 21. So rupees 21,120. Rupees 21,120. It is in our option number 1. Alright. So this is the detailed method. Like this we do it. Now let's come to the second method. Okay, which is this quicker method. Okay. So in case of quicker method, let us take one more page. Page number 3. Okay. Quicker method. Let us write it here. Quicker method. So in the case of quicker method, it's a very simple formula which we are going to use. But let us generalize the data. Okay. Let us write it like this. Let us rewrite the question like this. Suppose we are writing like this: the incomes of two people are in the ratio A is to B. Okay, all right. Their expenditures are in the ratio C is to D. Let us suppose writing C is to D. Okay. Now each of them saves rupees X, capital X. All right. Then the formula will be, their incomes are basically given by X A D minus C divided by A D minus BC and X B D minus C divided by AD minus BC. Okay. So this will be the formula. The incomes of these two people are, first one this XAD minus C by AD minus BC, and of B are XB D minus C AD minus BC. So only difference is here A, here B. Otherwise X is common, D minus C is common, D minus C, AD minus BC is common, AD minus BC is common. Alright, so now let's put all this data here. For in this question, what is A, B, C and D? Okay, 7:4, 3:1. So here A is equal to how much? A is to B is the income of the two people. So A is to B are basically 7:4. A is equal to 7 and B equal to 4. Okay. Now what is C and what is D? So these are the expenditures. Expenditures 3:1. Okay. So basically C equal to 3, D equal to 1. Also, what is our X saving? It is 4,800. Okay. 4,800. This is the saving. Now let us put it here. So the income, let us write it, income of A, income of first person. Let us write like this: first person that will be equal to x. X is 4800 multiplied by a is 7. Okay, a is 7. Now d minus c. What is d minus c? D is 1, c is 3. So 1 minus 3. Okay. Now AD minus BC. So A is 7, AD minus BC. This one 7 minus 12. 7 minus 12. So it will come out 4800 multiplied by 7 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. Minus 5. So this minus minus will be plus. So it will come out 5 9 ja 48, 5 9 ja 45, 30 5 6 ja this into 14. 14 multiplied by 960 will be the income of first person. Now income of second person. Income of second person. That will come out how much? It will come out x 4800 multiplied by b. B is how much? B is 4. Then d minus c is common. It will be minus 2 and it will be minus 5. Okay. Minus minus plus, and this will come out 960 multiplied by 4 to the 8. Okay. 960 multiplied by 14 and 960 multiplied by 8. So the total will be 960 multiplied by 22. Okay. So 960 multiplied by 20 and this one. It will come out same. 22. It will come out same. You can do it. Basically this is 2 multiplied by 11 into 960, and basically this will be 11 multiplied by 200, 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 9 18 plus 1 19. 11 multiplied by 1920, which was our case here. So 21,120. Okay. So this method is very good, but you will have to remember these two formulae. These two formulae you will have to remember, otherwise it's not possible to do. But basically this is very short answer, quicker method. So I hope you like both the methods. The detailed method is also a nice one. It's a simple thing. This form and this formula you have to remember if you do by the quicker method. All right. So hoping that you should be aware of both these methods, and if you cannot remember all this formula, then otherwise you leave it and you solve it by the simple method. Okay, detailed method. So thank you very much for joining my channel, for watching my channel, for watching my videos, and I will be keep posting videos like this. Thanks again. Thanks for giving your time.